Hello everyone, welcome back to a brand new Tech Reviews and Gadgets episode where today we're taking a look at an ergonomic office chair with footrest. And you guys are currently watching CrewElite. Today's episode, we're taking a look at an ergonomic office chair from the company OdinLake. And this office chair has so many built-in features into it. You know, it has an adjustable headrest, footrest that you can actually pull out underneath the seat. The armrests are also adjustable. The max weight that this office chair can support is around 300 pounds. And, you know, it has, mesh-like material. The padding on the cushioning is also really nice with this office chair. And on top of that, everything's adjustable. You can easily adjust it and configure this office chair to suit your needs exactly the way you want it. And then one last thing, it also has a back recline. So if you wanted to, you can recline backwards with this chair and, take a nap if you really wanted to. Product information, specifications, and details will be listed down below in the description for those who are interested, alongside with the link to make a purchase if you're interested in actually buying this exact product that we're taking a look at in today's episode. But right now, what we're going to do is actually move over to the first look and unboxing portion of this video. As you guys can see, this box is pretty enormous, so why don't we actually proceed with just, cracking open this box and actually taking a look at all the different contents that are actually inside. This is going to be a very, very interesting video, so bear with me. Hopefully you guys can kind of see what I'm doing. But right now, what I'm trying to do is actually open up the packaging here so we can actually build this office chair. So it looks like there's actually multiple boxes within this box that we need to pull out and then assemble. So it looks like they did put a lot of protection into everything. Let me actually open up this box here. Ah, okay. So this has like our seat cushion. Let me just pull it out. That's our cushion for this office chair. And it looks like this is actually the main component for the chair. As you guys can see, look how massive this is. But yeah, it looks nice though. I think this is our bottom plate. Yeah, it is. So I think this connects to the actual chair itself, and this has like the reclining feature and everything on it. This is very, very, very interesting so far. I think what I'm going to do is actually kind of unwrap everything so that we can actually proceed with the, the installation of this office chair. So I just completed the build of this office chair, and you guys can see it looks really nice and stylish. I would recommend, if you are going to set this up, it would be nice to have somebody help you. It did take me a little bit more time because, you know, some of these pieces are heavy, and when you're trying to screw it in, you know, you gotta have to like make sure it's lined up correctly. So maybe having somebody with you as you're building this office chair might actually be beneficial. But overall, the installation was really simple. There was only a few steps. There was only a few things I had to screw in. So overall, it's a very simple setup. It's just you may need the assistance of somebody to help you, actually get this all lined up correctly. But right now, what we're gonna do is actually move over to the testing and demo part of the video, where we actually get inside this chair and test out all the different features it has to offer. All right, so let me sit down in this chair for the very first time. Let me sit down. Ooh, okay. Let me kind of, ease myself in a little bit. But so far, I gotta say, my first impressions with this chair is very nice. I can feel all the different supports it's actually offering my body as I'm speaking right now. We got the cushioning for, our butt. We have our nice ergonomic, fabric kind of back mesh material. So like when I lean forward, like my back is actually being supported. We have this nice armrest right here. So if you wanted to, you can place your arms right here. But do keep in mind with the armrests, it is made out of plastic. It's just a flat sheet of plastic. It doesn't have any padding, so do keep that in mind. But overall, I do like it though. I can really feel the support that this chair is giving me, as opposed to the chair that I've been using in my room. And there's a lot of different features that this chair has. With the headrest, I can actually go in and adjust the height. So if I pull up and down here, you guys will see I can adjust it to various different heights. And since I'm kind of a tall dude, having it kind of high up is really nice for my head, supports my head really nicely. And then with the armrest, you can pull forward, you can go backward, pull to the side, and pull inward. So you have a few different setups for it. Your armrest, you can do various different directions. So if you need to pull it up, you can pull it up. If you need to push it in, push it in, push it to the side, push it to the side, and then push it to the other side, you definitely can. So that is really nice to see with the armrests, because now I can easily have my arms situated exactly the way I want. If you want to adjust the height of your chair, all you gotta do is lift, and you guys can see I just went down, and if I get up, it lifts up. So you can actually adjust the height of your chair depending on how high you want your chair or how low you want your chair. So if I wanted to, I could take it back down. And you guys can see I'm very low to the ground now, and I can take it right back up, and now I'm very high up and elevated. We also have on this side our adjustable seat depth. So if you wanted to, you can actually adjust how low inside you want to get into the chair or how far out you want from the chair. So let me try that out for you guys. There we go. So I can actually push forward and have my seat out more, or I could push inward and the seat actually goes inside the chair. So depending on, if you want to be more out, you can, or if you want to be more in, you definitely can push it. And that also allows to kind of, minimize and actually collapse this chair so it doesn't take up a lot of space, especially if you're trying to fit this underneath your table and it doesn't actually go all the way in. You could just adjust, the seat so that it can actually go fully in, which is really nice. But I like mine's kind of more outward, so I'm going to keep mine's kind of out. And then, this is the very unique part of this chair. This is actually my favorite part of the chair, which is our ergonomic, 135-degree back tilting, or what do you call it? Recline, back recline. There you go. So I'm going to show you guys how you do this. So there's actually a recline lock on this side of the chair. And essentially, once you lift up this lock, it allows you to basically move the back of this chair, as far back as you want, or, and then kind of adjust it and fine tune it. So if I wanted to, I could stop in the middle. I don't have to go all the way back. And then essentially, once I get to that level I want to be at, I can actually lock it in place and keep the chair at that position. So I'll show you guys. Let's release the lock. There we go. So you guys can see I'm back. I'm backing up. I'm backing up. Look at that. Wow. And if I wanted to, let's say, keep it in this position, I can lock it, and boom. It's not going anywhere. Like now the chair is actually stuck in this position all the way back to recline. And now let's say I wanted to actually utilize that footrest that we just took a look at. All I gotta do is pull it out, just like so, put my feet up, and boom. I'm chilling, you know. I can grab some popcorn, watch a movie, or just kind of take a nap, you know, in this chair if I really wanted to after a long days of work. So you guys can see how beneficial this office chair is. You know, you have so many different adjustments you can make, you know, the armrest, you got the headrest, you can easily raise that up, raise that down. We also have this footrest that we just tested out. You can adjust the height, you can adjust the, you know, your back position as well. So yeah, it's very nice. You can also adjust your seat, so if you wanted to, you could push forward, push backward. But overall, I really do like this chair though. Like it's a major step up from what I've been using for the past few years. Major setup. It's really nice. It's very stylish. It has a very simplistic, you know, design. Nothing too crazy is going on with this office chair. You know, it keeps a nice color coordination. It's just mainly black. We do have a little bit of chrome plastic on the wheels on the bottom here, which makes it look really nice and presentable. I do kind of wish there was more, you know, design aspects to this office chair, but overall, you know, with it just having that matte black kind of finish, it looks really presentable though. You know, it looks really clean. It doesn't really stand out too much. But I also do wish there was padding on the footrest, you know, just a little bit of padding, and then also on the armrest, I wish there was a little bit more padding so that when I set my arm on here for long periods of time, you know, I don't really have fatigue on my elbow. You know, I don't want to feel that kind of, I don't know how to explain the feeling, but you know, whenever you kind of see your arm on your table for a long extended period of time, it just doesn't feel comfortable for your arm. So I kind of wish there was more padding for the armrest and also the footrest, just so that it makes this chair a much more comfortable experience for a longer period of time. But right now, what we're going to do is actually move over to the final opinions and remarks and actually end off this video. So, one of my final opinions and remarks about this office chair from the company OdinLake. Well, you guys can see this is a fantastic ergonomic office chair. You know, you have so many different things you can, you know, control, customize, and basically get this chair to suit your needs exactly for whatever you're using it for. You know, if you wanted to take a nap with this chair, you can. If you want to use it to get some stuff done, you can be more propped up and more straightened up so you can actually focus. Or if you just kind of want to be more relaxed like I am, you can have it pushed back a little bit and boom, you know. So there's just so many different adjustments you can make, adjust, you know, all these different little things, which makes this chair very, very, you know, beneficial for most of you guys. In fact, I would actually recommend this chair for anybody. Honestly, anybody could really, you know, utilize a chair like this. Hopefully you guys enjoyed this tech reviews and gadgets episode, and if you guys did, make sure you go down below and hit that subscribe button and turn on post notifications on to get updates and alerts when we do upload. Have any questions or concerns, leave a comment. Enjoy the video, leave a like, and also share this video out to anybody who may be interested in some sort of office chair. Lastly, product information, specifications, and details will be listed down below in the description alongside with the link to make a purchase if you're interested in buying this office chair. Hopefully you guys enjoyed this tech reviews and gadgets episode. I know I did making this video, and I hope to see you guys all on the next episode. CrewElite signing off. Thank you guys all for watching, and have a good rest of your day.